should I take a lie detector test? Essentially, no and never. There is an exception. Lie detector tests are sometimes wise when they are arranged by your lawyer during the pendency of a criminal case. You never take a lie detector test when a police officer says, come take a lie detector test. One of the local prosecutors wrote an article some years ago explaining that the only time it's appropriate for a defendant to take a lie detector test is after he or she has been charged, when the case is pending in court and the defense lawyer and the prosecutor work out the terms for the lie detector test and what will be done with those results. Unless that's your situation, you never take a lie detector test, period.